I have to say, you know, when you start the 5-step protocol, you are a little like, how is this gonna work out? But first they started me with a cleanser and an ointment, antibacterial ointment that I had to apply twice a day. I did that for a while. Then after that, the next step was a moisturizer that you just apply on the scar after you take a shower or at night before you go to bed. Then after that one, I moved on to the Korean snail mucus, which I actually really liked because you can also use it on your face, so it's a plus. Then the next step was the brightening cream. By that point, the scar was no longer so raised. It was already healed, and that just helped the scar become lighter over a period of about 3 months. And I started the combination, which is the 5th step of the silicone cream, which helps with the scar becoming very, very flat, which I've already accomplished. So for the next step for me is continue another 3 months, so it'll be a full year of the 5-step protocol for me. But continue with the silicone cream just to make sure that everything remains nice and flat and the scar continues to be faded. Definitely at the beginning, you don't see that end target, and you know, the scar looks a little gnarly, but just stick with it, be consistent, and you know, do it twice a day, and you'll see really good results.